Imagine unlocking the secret to an online business that's irresistible to customers, is a blast to run, and is almost all profit, all with a touch of AI magic. Local businesses in your area are craving one thing: more customers. And you're the cape-wearing hero who swoops in to save the day with your trusty sidekick, your local lead generation rental business website. So how does this magical business model work? Imagine creating a website tailored to a specific local niche, like a delicious pizza joint or a trendy hair salon. Your mission is to create content about that niche and sprinkle some SEO fairy dust to get your content to rank on Google. And don't worry if SEO is new to you. You can pick up the basics in just a few hours or use ChatGPT to do it for you. As your website begins to rank and draw traffic, you can rent the site to a local business owner. They'll be thrilled to have a steady stream of new customers, and you'll have a sweet new source of almost passive income each month. But wait, there's more. The fun doesn't stop at just one website. You can replicate your winning formula and create multiple sites for the same niche in different cities. It's like duplicating your success and planting cash-generating trees all across the nation. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you want to create a swimming pool rental site in Miami, Florida. There are hundreds of thousands of pools in Miami, and people are looking for information and help online. Your job would be to create content about swimming pools in Miami. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to create the content for a site like this and optimize it for SEO in minutes. Once the site starts to get some traffic, you rent your site to a local pool company for anywhere between $500 to $5,000 or more per month. You'll become their marketing savior, helping them rake in more profits and grow their company. While you enjoy a steady passive income every month, now you just copy and paste the site for cities like Orlando, Dallas, or Phoenix, and watch the income pile up. And if you ever lose a renter, no worries. You'll have a line of other local pool companies eager to rent your site and snag those customers. It's like being the landlord of a virtual mall without the hassle or expenses. You collect money from the shops in your mall and they benefit from the foot traffic it attracts. But does it actually work? Meet Jamie, a new mom from Phoenix. She created a few rental sites focused on restaurants and now makes a whopping $50,000 monthly, and it's almost all profit. Josh rakes in $160,000 monthly by renting his lead generation sites to e-commerce businesses. And yours truly? I used to run a single website renting leads to local air conditioning companies, generating almost $9,300 each month. I eventually sold that site to a local business for a hefty sum and invested the profits in new ventures. Now it's time for action. In the comments, share one potential local business website you would be interested in creating. You could start a site about swimming pools in Tampa, Florida, or a blog with real estate and local information in your city, then rent it to a real estate agent or mortgage broker. The opportunities are endless. I'll be in the comment section to help you and answer any of your questions. Let's get your business started today.